Working on character animation in 3ds Max and dealing with FCA facial animation files, I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you understand and work with these 3ds Max facial animation data files. I'll be introducing you to the true time saver at the end. This involves the correct application of a single premium FCA file, inspection utility designed for broad spectrum file support. FCA files are facial animation data files used with Autodesk 3ds. Max for character facial animation workflows. They contain facial motion capture data, morph target, weight animations or facial rig parameter keyframes that drive realistic character facial expressions and lip synchronization in 3D animated productions. 3ds Max FCA files store keyframe facial animation data including morph target blend weights, bone rotation values, and custom parameter tracks mapped to facial rig controls. The format captures the temporal animation data that drives facial deformations separately from the 3D character model, enabling animation data reuse across characters. Guaranteed access to FCA files is typically achieved using Autodesk 3ds Max from Autodesk Inc. Windows cannot fully interpret the file's proprietary XML structure for editing purposes. Windows offers minimal detail, so exploring these files requires knowledge of the game's engine. Your first step towards successfully opening the file. Right-click the FCA file and select Open With. If Autodesk 3ds Max is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. A test is required. If the FCA file won't open, don't panic. This FCA file is proving resistant. That means we need hard data. Let's immediately test these primary failure points to isolate the error's source. First, loading in 3ds. Max. Open Autodesk 3ds. Max and import the FCA file through the Facial Animation plugin or Character Studio interface. Apply the facial animation data to a compatible character rig with matching morph targets or facial control parameters. Play back the timeline to preview the facial animation applied to the 3D character model. Next, editing facial animation. In 3ds, Max adjusts facial animation keyframes using the curve editor or track view. Modify morph target weights at specific frames to refine expressions and lip sync timing. Use the dope sheet for broad timing adjustments and the curve editor for detailed interpolation control between facial expression keyframes. Finally, exporting animation. Export facial animation data from 3ds Max to FBX format for use in game engines or other 3D applications. FBX preserves morph target, animation blend shape weights, and bone animation data. Configure export settings to include animation data and verify that the target application correctly interprets the facial animation channels. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.